Hello everyone, this is In the Moment with Panda and Friends. Today I got you guys a special tea that is gonna be so effective. Hello everyone, welcome back. So I'm gonna be telling you step by step the ingredients that you're gonna need to make this tea that is really good for the flu, you have a sore throat or cough. The first ingredient is 2 garlics. The second one is a slice of ginger root. The other one is a lime, 1 lime. You cut it in half and you pour it on the pan with the water boiling. The second one is a purple onion. You put 1/4 of it. And at last, once you're gonna serve it, you can add 2 spoons of honey. So first of all, you're gonna put in the pan with boiling water 2 garlics. Then you're gonna put a root of ginger root. The third one is a lime. You cut it in half and then you put it on the pan with the boiling water. The fourth one is the purple onion. The purple onion is 1/4 of it. You put it in the boiling water and then you cover it. And then once you're done, in your cup you add 2 spoons of honey. Make sure when you drink it, you eat it based on how you can handle the hotness. But if the more warmer, the better for your throat. So this was it for today. This remedy, I hope this help you if you're sick out there. So if you have any comments, or please subscribe to my channel, and I will be bringing you more remedies that you can do in your house and that will help you, because this remedy has been passed by generation in my family and it has all help us get better. So if you guys have any questions, you can guys comment here down below, and you have a blessed day.